Here's how to fix the discord_game.dll missing error. This error usually appears because Windows Defender or your antivirus has quarantined the DLL file, treating it as a potential threat. The file itself is a legitimate Discord component, it just needs to be restored. Press the Windows key and search for Windows Security. Open it and go to Virus and Threat Protection. Click either Protection History or Allowed Threats. Both show you recently quarantined files. Look for the discord_game.dll entry. Click on it, then click Actions and select Allow or Restore to put the file back where it belongs. Once restored, close Windows Security and fully relaunch Discord. Do not just click the X button. Right-click the Discord icon in your taskbar tray and select Quit first, then reopen it. The error should now be gone. To prevent it from happening again, add your Discord installation folder to your Windows Defender exclusions. Go to Windows Security, then Virus and Threat Protection, then Manage Settings, then Add or Remove Exclusions, and add the Discord folder from Program Files. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.